9 Weird Toilet Cleaning Hacks That Really Work. 1. Coca-Cola Cleanser. It may sound like an urban legend, but plenty of folks swear that Coke dissolves toilet rust rings. Here's how: pour a full can around the rim so that it fully coats the bowl, then let it sit for at least an hour to allow the acids in the soda to break down the stains. Scrub with a toilet brush, then flush. 2. Scrub with a pumice stone. A pumice stone is another unexpected but effective way to get rid of that persistent ring inside the bowl. Always start by soaking the pumice in warm water. The stone and the toilet surface should always be wet to avoid scratches. Gently scrub the stain until it's gone, and then flush the toilet to rinse. 3. White vinegar toilet bowl bath. To eliminate hard water stains, soak toilet paper in vinegar and place directly on top of the stain. Let the vinegar-soaked paper sit overnight. The next morning, flush to rinse and the stains should be gone. 4. Sanitize with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a safe and effective germ fighter. To disinfect your toilet, pour 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bowl, let stand for 30 minutes, and then flush to rinse. 5. DIY Fizzy Toilet Balm. You can buy fancy Fizzies, or balms, that clean and deodorize your toilet, but it's easy and inexpensive to make your own. You can even make your own all-natural fizzy toilet balms using only common household products combined with your favorite scented oil. 6. Baby oil polish for chrome. You'll be amazed when you see the shining results of baby oil applied to chrome fixtures. Apply a few more drops to the toilet tank and toilet bowl and buff until the porcelain gleams. 7. Nail polish prevents rust. Keep your toilet seat hardware rust-free by coating the bolts and screws with clear nail polish. This will also prevent the seat from shifting around, since the screws will be less likely to loosen. 8. Boiling water unclogs stubborn pipes. To fix a clogged toilet without chemicals, fill a medium saucepan with water and bring it to a boil. Carefully pour the boiling water directly into the toilet bowl to dissolve the clog. 9. Bubble wrap reduces condensation. First, shut off the water valve to the toilet and then remove the tank lid. Flush and wait until the water drains out of the tank. Once the water empties, line the inside of the tank with a layer of bubble wrap. This added layer of insulation keeps the outside of the tank from getting too cold.